Hello, good morning. That is really fucking loud. Thank you for joining me here on grocery pickup. Super glamorous as always. Although it is bright as all get out. What are we gonna do today? We just got a new fridge, so I feel like I need to like restock it. We are gonna go to Trader Joe's. I need to do a pickup order at Target. I'm gonna meet a friend for coffee. I need to feed Dolly. She's actually looking better. I gave her some bread flour last night. I wasn't sure she was gonna make it, but I think we're gonna be okay. What else do I need to do today? I made a whole list and left it at home. Also, I'm the only one here for pickup, which is super odd, but I guess it is a Thursday morning at 8 a.m. But still, I'm the only one here. And I was like, oh, they'll come running. They're on it. No. No. I'm just watching the weird little sliding door that they come out of. And nothing. Done our grocery pickup, our Target pickup. I met up with a friend for coffee, had a nice chatty chat. I did a return at the UPS store. This was in the same parking lot, so that's helpful. I went to Trader Joe's, and now I'm headed home to see the puppy. I'll show you what I got at Trader Joe's when I get home. I'm telling you, it was not very exciting because we got a new fridge. We needed basically everything. So really I'm just trying to put some nutrition back in that fridge. So to start, some baby spinach, real exciting stuff. Some cilantro. Cucumbers. Broccoli. Telling you, not super exciting. Ooh. Sumo citrus, the best fire roasted tomato soup you can get out there. Carrots, I'm telling you, it's a party. Some lemon, some lime. These are the best gluten-free snacks. They like have the crunch you want from the rice cracker. Well, I guess they say right here, crunchy with a balance of sweetness and saltiness. That's exactly what they are. Sweet and salty, crunchy, and that's the actual size. Some bloobs, string cheese, some sugar bee apples. I'm not sure what these are a combo of, but they just looked really good. Oh. And so I got in a traffic jam at Trader Joe's, meaning two older people decided to start up a full-fledged conversation in front of me. And so I looked to the side and found these in the frozen section. I was just trying to mind my business. I was just trying to go home, but they wanted to converse, talk about everything, all the drama. And so then these came home with me. I am off to go organize this. So let's see what organization we can get done in our brand new fridge. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think Dolly was gonna make it, so I haven't been recording her last couple of feeds, but I'm happy to report that after some bread flour, we do see some growth. I figured a little more protein, maybe that would help her be a hungry, hungry girl. We do have some nice bibales. I don't know why I said it like that. Smells sour, so let's give her a feed. I swear the less I fuss over her, the better she does. This is one independent woman. 12.7% gluten-forming protein content. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure this bag can tell me. Selected for high-rising yeast breads. I don't know why I'm reading it like this. They have a baker's hotline. Call or chat online with our friendly, experienced bakers. Like, is this the Butterball hotline, but like for flour? What could they help me with? What could they help me with that Google doesn't exist for, I guess, is the real question. I don't know. One day we'll give it a call. I don't know why I'm so close to this flour. Okay, let's feed him. Beautiful. Got our water. Love it. Let's stir up and let her settle in for a slumber. Dolly, please rise. But I got something very exciting in the mail, so I think we should open up some author mail together. Yes. Let's relocate to the couch though. Also, do you like the vent that is just chilling till it's fully installed? So I got this maybe a week or so ago, but with all of the... Hi, Linus. Hi. I swear, doesn't want to be involved until I start talking. Then, hi. Are you feeling like you need to be a part of this? Okay, come on. Come here. This is Linus. He apparently would like to be a part of this. So he will help me until he gives up. You're gonna sit there. He's just gonna sit here and watch. That's cute. Okay, anyhow, I got this last week, but we were getting the floors redone and it was just chaos, so I put it to the side and I was like, oh, I'll open that later, and then I promptly forgot, so it's been sitting on my desk. So I figured, well, I thought we'd open it today. Oh, stop. How cute is this? I know exactly who this is from. Don't worry, Linus is inspecting for quality control. Does it pass? Okay, for now it passes. This is from Maggie Rawdon. She is an amazing author. This is in support of one of her books that came out, Bull Rush. The next one is actually coming out pretty soon, and she just released that cover. So cute. Let's see what we got. If you see a dog head and a toy, Linus just wants to be involved. Bulrush Ranch. Love a shirt. Ooh, that is so soft. Ooh, we've got some like tarot cards. I believe these are for the tropes. We've got Brother's Best Friend, Dark Romance, Football Player. That's cute. Western Romance. A copy of Bulrush. This is such a good book. There is a prequel to it, but you most definitely don't have to read it to enjoy this one. This is so cute. The back says, "Still married. These words change everything." Ooh, and it feels good. It's like that soft matte, like velvety smooth texture. Yes, please. Look how cute that is. You got Well Read Candle Co. Purgatory Falls Inn. That's the name of the inn in this book. It says Bulrush by Maggie Rawdon. Hand poured in St. Peters, Missouri. Coconut wax melts. That's nice. Ooh, and they're pretty. Look how pretty those are. Like all the colors. And then a letter. No, even better. More art that I won't be sharing with the class. It's of the spicy variety. Okay. I love it. Thank you, Maggie. I love being a part of her ARC team. I love the stories that she writes. She is one of those writers that I discovered and then just blew through her entire catalog because it is so good. It's all like sports romance with everything you could ever want. If you haven't read her, I'd recommend starting with Pick 6. That is the start of the Seattle Phantom series. And that's kind of like a good basis. Well, actually, that's where I started. That's a great place to start because you kind of get a feel for everything, and that's a pro team. Hi, sir. Doing fishy? Okay, that's all it takes. We're back with the fish. Let's make this quick. She has a college series, which I believe has 4 or 5 books in it. Super great. And then there is the Chaos Queen City series. Thank you. Also football series. All of them are football. And then that series branches off to this. I freaking love this series. Like, I wish I could just read it again and again for the first time. It's so good. Linus is clearly impatient. So I'm gonna pack this up. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Next time you hang out with me, I think I'm getting my hair done. So maybe I will take you along on that adventure. We just need to do something with this. Okay, sounds like my dog just got into something, so I'm gonna go figure out what that is. Have a great day. Do all the things, like, subscribe, comment. I'm glad you're here with us. Thanks so much, and we'll have some more home stuff probably next time as well. Ooh, I believe when we're back together, we might be getting our new range in. So that's super exciting. All right, guys, see you soon.